Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an active Pldt 5G ready plan and the compatible Fibr modem. First, log into the modem admin at 192, 168, 1 or my. Pldt, use your credentials and switch the WAN mode to 5G or 5G/auto. Once done, set SSID and a strong password. Change default admin login. Make sure the SIM is seated. Indicator shows 5G and signal bars. If signal is weak, reposition the unit before continuing. Now you refine performance. Access radio or network settings, choose preferred bands, leave on auto unless you know the local 5G band. You should enable NRSA or NSA based on Pldt guidance. SA gives lower latency, NSA may be more widely available. Once this is set, configure quality of service to prioritize video calls or gaming. Also, enable carrier aggregation if present. Test speeds with a wired device to isolate wireless variables and log results for comparison. Finish by checking firmware. Update the modem, reboot, and run multiple speed tests at peak and off-peak times to confirm 5G performance. Once stable, secure guest Wi-Fi and confirm connected devices use the faster 5G band. If you encounter drops or no 5G lock, toggle the modem between 5G and 4G modes, then reboot. This forces re-registration to the Pldt network. One key troubleshooting tip: if toggling fails, swap the SIM to a known working 5G device to isolate SIM versus modem faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.